Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for Unit 4, Day 25. Today we are continuing our work with evaluating addition and subtraction expressions with variables. Today's video is dedicated to Natalie in 6C. Hi Natalie. You can start by checking your answers for the opening exercise. And for the first three, so you probably noticed that the older sibling is 2 years older than the younger brother. So whatever the younger brother's age is, you just added 2. 8 plus 2 got us 10. 16 plus 2 got us 18. So that means if the younger brother's age is x, then that would just be x plus 2 for the sister's age. Or going the other way, if the older sister's 16, you can just subtract 2 to get the younger brother's age, which is 14. Or if the older sister's age is y, then the younger brother's age is y minus 2. So you can just use that pattern and figure out any age that I gave you. You could figure out the other person's age just by adding 2 or subtracting 2 instead of having to continue this whole table. So it's just a faster way of doing it. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today. Let's take a look at number 1 here. It says that Shelly is 5 years older than her friend Kristen. Make a table showing their ages for every year, beginning when Kristen was born. So when Kristen's born, she is age 0, and Shelly's already at age 5. If we do another row of this table, then when Kristen is 1, Shelly also gets 1 year older, and she will be 6. So now that we have that, I actually think that you can probably finish the rest of the table and try B, C, and D all on your own first. So I'm going to have you pause and then try the rest of this first, and then you can continue the video when you're ready to check your work. So let's do that now. Pause and try. And now you're resuming the video to check your work. When Kristen is 2, Shelly is going to be 7. And when Kristen is 3, Shelly is going to be 8. And so when Kristen is 16, you'll notice that Shelly is always 5 years older than Kristen. So that would mean when Kristen's 16, instead of having to continue this table all the way down to 16, I can just add 5 to 16. So it would just be 16 plus 5. That gives me 21. So Shelly would be 21. 2 gold stars if you got that on your own. Next one. If Kristen is K years old, write an expression to show Shelly's age. Well, just like in this example, if Kristen was 16, we just added 5 to the age to get Shelly's age. So if Kristen is K, then Shelly is just whatever Kristen's age is, which is K, 5 years older than that. 3 gold stars if you got that on your own. Last one. If Shelly is S years old, write an expression to show Kristen's age. Well, you can go back to the table and see whatever Shelly's age is, Kristen's age is just 5 less than that, right? 5 less than 8 is 3. 5 fewer than 7 is 2. And 5 less than or 5 fewer than is always going to be minus 5. And it's whatever Shelly's age is. So in that case, that's S. S minus 5. So Kelly's age is going to be S minus 5. If you got that on your own, 3 gold stars for you. And let's try making it a little bit harder. Let's read number 2 together. At the start of 6th grade, Brenda had 1 year of dancing experience, and Carol had 5 years of dancing experience. They each gain 1 more year of dancing experience every year. Complete the table below showing the number of years of dancing experience at each grade level. So we're starting at 6th grade here. So we can go back to our question and read through the information. So Brenda has 1 year of dancing experience at the start of 6th grade. So we'll fill that out. In 6th grade, Brenda has 1 year of experience. And Carol, it says Carol has 5 years of dancing experience. So we'll put a 5 here for Carol. And then by 7th grade, Brenda will have an additional year. She would have 2 years of experience. And Carol would have 6 years of experience so far. So that's actually all I'm going to give you now, because I want you on your own to finish the rest of this table. And then when you're done filling out the rest of this table, look for the pattern, and then you can answer this question at the bottom here. If Brenda has been dancing for B years, how many years has Carol been dancing? So, actually you don't even need to pause because you're all done with the video. And today's secret word is the color blue. B-L-U-E. The secret word is the color blue. And once you're done with this, you can raise your hand, get it checked by me, and you'll get your raffle ticket.